Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Semrush. Semrush complete practical tutorial. You can build and rank a website from scratch. It is for beginners and this course will be also for the advanced people who are doing optimizations to rank their keywords better. For this, we have an entire playlist from 9 to 10 videos. We'll optimize one real website from scratch. Everything you see on the screen, you can replicate step by step. This will not be a theoretical series, it will be complete practical SEO implementation journey across 9 to 10 structured videos. In real job interviews, no one asks you to define SEO concept from a textbook. They want to know, have you worked on a real website? Have you solved real SEO problems? Do you understand how tools are used in real scenarios? Even the nomenclature you use, the way you explain audits, keywords, technical fixes, backlink strategies, immediately tells an interviewer whether you have actually worked on projects or you just read them because it's for the interview. So that's why this 3 hours practical training session masterclass is for everyone from beginner to advanced level. This will explain confidently how you perform the keyword research, how you analyzed competitors, how you fixed technical SEO issues, how you improved on-page optimization, how you built backlinks, how you tracked performance, and I'll also cover how to optimize not only for Google but for modern AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, so you understand how SEO is evolving beyond traditional search. After every tutorial, I will also guide you on how to answer interview questions related to that topic, how to explain your practical experience confidently, what kind of a terminology that professionals use. So this series is designed to help you build real skill and communicate that skill effectively. So without further delay, let's get started.